This guy is doing his chores. Good morning, Judge. Good morning, old man.
Jaxson.
Hey. Good morning, old guy. What's yours? Did you take out the dog?
Yes.
You did? Okay, what's your chore?
Table and the floor.
Table and floor?
Floor.
Okay. What's your chore?
Dish, kitchen.
Okay. It's supposed to rain today.
I like it.
It already started raining. My plant right there is dying. Where is it? It's dying. All of our lawn is dying too. Like our sod, our grass is dying. Good morning, people. Good morning. Good morning. Something is going on with my views. I don't know. Something is really going on with my views. I don't know what it is, but my videos are not getting over 100 views anymore. So, I'm just gonna keep going and not pay any mind to the views. But it's really irritating because I don't know what's going on. Something's going on. It's either you guys are not getting notification or something, but my views are all jacked up. But good morning. Good morning. I hope you guys are having an amazing morning. Today is Tuesday and I'm still working on laundry, and I still have to clean my kitchen. But I want to go out to the store because I want to get some brackets to make some shelves. So I might take you guys with me to Lowe's. You gonna let me see your hair? Turn around to the front. Beautiful. I just want you to know you're my favorite girl. So oh, what is that? I just twisted her ends. And look at the length of her hair, guys. Like Miss Maddie hair is growing tremendously. Right? You like your hair? Mm-hmm. Turn around. I did the part in the back all crooked because she wouldn't let me. So it's all crooked in the back. But at least it's done, right? Right? You gonna turn around? Hey. Hey. Okay, you can go play with Sissy. Bye. See you later. It's time to work out, and I'm getting ready to do planks, modified push-ups. I have to work on my core because I have 4 C-sections and my core is really, really damaged. So I have to work on that, and I'm gonna show you guys how I do that. So yeah, scooting over. So this is my modified push-up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then I just go straight into plank for 30 seconds. So yeah, that's how I do it. I'm gonna go finish up, and so I'm gonna go finish up, drink my coffee, and what time is it? It's 11:38, so I have 22 minutes to go before I can break my fast.
May we all make money, Mommy?
May we what?
May we make lunch?
Turn on light. time to eat?
Yes. Yes. Sure. We're playing a
What
game.
are we making?
It's called peanut butter crackers.
Where's Maddie?
Right here. We're playing.
Maddie, what are you eating?
I'm eating peanut butter crackers.
That's not.
It's not lunch.
We're
That's
playing a
candy.
game called.
You can have it after.
We're playing a game.
Hey, 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 hey! After lunch. Bring it back. After lunch. What do you want for lunch? Huh? What do you want for lunch? You want a peanut butter sandwich?
Gummy bears.
You can't have the whole thing of gummy bears. Good luck. Oh, I'm sorry. Good luck opening that, okay? You need to eat food like a bread with turkey. You want a turkey? You want a grilled cheese sandwich? What do you want? Well, what do you like?
She can get a cracker sandwich.
A cracker sandwich?
Yeah.
That sounds good. What are you having, Jordan?
Turkey sandwich.
Turkey sandwich?
That's me. I used to make these. I used to make that one peanut butter crackers. Why are you looking at it? Why are you looking at me?
Good job, Jordan. Jordan's making his own sandwich. Ooh. Ooh, Jordan's making his own sandwich.
You just closed it.
Ooh, Jordan. You not gonna put mayo?
I am. I just saw mayo.
Oh, you just knocked down my cracker. Hey, I'm talking myself. Just now because I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Who's using Wow, you could have used
Did you learn from one
Good.
of us?
Wow. He just doesn't want to put it away.
You want what? We will open this later.
Put that away.
You have to eat lunch.
Why'd you put this? What?
What are you making, Destiny?
I'm making a turkey sandwich with yogurt and pretzels.
You have to eat. No, naughty girl. Juju, what are you eating, bub? What are you eating? The poisonous in this family.
What?
You have to eat. You have to eat. You cannot have.
He eats anything.
Close the pantry door.
Close it.
You remember? I ate the carpet once.
Oh yeah.
What are you having?
Different from them. Not bread that's on toast.
Okay. You're toasting your bread.
Yes. Toasty. Hey guys. Where's the trash?
Oh, somebody didn't put a trash bag in the trash
I
can.
did last time.
I did it. Wait,
Still, you can put a trash in a trash. Someone put a trash in a trash?
No. Oh, wait, no, yes. Trash. Tiny trash bag into a big.
Trash. Someone put a trash into a trash bag? I never heard that.
I bet you guys have never seen all my kids like this for so long recorded. But it's amazing to see them at lunch. How they each make their own stuff. Look at this guy over here. He's having a field day.
Cracker sandwich.
Yeah, that's too much peanut butter for one sandwich. You can do multiple sandwich with that. Yeah.
I just thought we're crude. What? Madison, that's not yours. I looked at
She really wants that gummies.
She stole my
Okay, give her that one and make her. Go ahead, give her that one. Give her that one. She already bit it. Say thank you. Make a new one.
You gotta make several crackers.
Get a new bread. I know it's not fair, but she's 2. Are you upset? Would you like me to get it back? Would you like me to get it back from her?
No.
Would you like me to make you one? Oh, I'm sorry. But she already bit it. I would have her give it back, but she already bit it. Back to you.
2, 4, 6.
2, 4, 6.
6 more.
6 more to go.
Yes. I take a very slow time.
Okay.
That's mayonnaise.
Are you okay? Are you sure?
Cheese in there, right there.
Don't be sad.
Here.
Madison,
No.
come here. Come here. Come here. Next time, no, you can have it. Sit at your chair. We don't eat in the living room.
Chicken?
Yeah.
Wow.
Next time, you want something, you have to ask for it nicely. Do you understand? Okay? You can't just take it, okay?
Now I have 4 more left.
Would you like me to cut up your sandwich or that's okay?
She didn't eat it like that.
That's fine? Yummy. Is that delicious? Yes?
I don't understand sign language. Yeah.
Are you better? No? Still upset with her?
No.
Yes? She's still upset, Mommy. Can you say I'm sorry? You're not going to? You feel entitled to that sandwich? All better? It's time to drink some coffee. I gotta fix my pants. I don't know what's up with my pants. Should I do relax today? No. We're gonna do wifey. I'm a wifey today. 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 My kids are looking at me like I'm legit crazy, so let me stop. I haven't figured out what I'm making them for dinner. You know, of course my husband and I, you know, make our own food, but for the kids, I don't know what to cook them. I'm out of protein. And I was supposed to go to the store. Didn't do that. So let me go drink my coffee and come on back to you guys. Don't go anywhere, okay? Stay tuned. But eat your cracker first before you eat the gummy, okay? Okay? Hey. Eat your cracker.
No.
Yes.
No.
And then we gotta go potty, okay? Did you find her?
No.
No?
I got the most random spot for a pimple on the side of my mouth.
Who's there?
Literally on the side of my mouth. That doesn't make sense. Read.
Who's there?
Thank you, Maddie.
Oh, she found you, Jaxson. Come on out. Okay, come on, Des. Wait, Madison. Oh. All right, go. Next one.
I had mine. Yes, it's mine. Yes, it's here. It is.
With Destiny.
I have the most random spot for a pimple. Right next
Destiny
to
under there?
No.
No? Okay.
It doesn't make sense. A pimple right in there.
Okay, Jordan.
You should be surprised. You won't be surprised when she's hiding it.
Is she in here?
No.
No?
Can we turn it on?
Mama.
Nope. She's not there.
Oh, I know a hiding spot.
Come here.
Check all the doors, Mama. Go check all the doors over there. Shh. Okay. You found her. She found you. So I found you.
Did you find Jaxson?
We gotta find Jaxson. Let's go find Jaxson. No. Okay. Sorry, guys. I'm going through my clothes. I'm donating stuff. Okay, no. Let's go find Jack. Come on. Let's get out of mommy messy closet. Okay. All right. Did you find him? All right.
It's over there.
Dang it!
You found him.
I tried to help him.
Yeah.
That was quick. I put on the kind of like, and then just like, get down.
You found him.
I don't know what to do.
Search the duplicate's memories for infinity stones.
Oh, that's the light.
We're watching. What are we watching?
Marbles and Endgame.
Endgame. They're watching Endgame.
There might be a copyright.
Just chilling. Chilling. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.